Question number 5. Diadromous fish migrate between freshwater and marine biomes during their life cycle. The migration's obligate nature is why diadromous fish can be blank. Those that are merely euryhaline, that is, able to tolerate high salinity. The euryhaline blackchin tilapia can survive high salinity, but its life cycle does not involve relocation to a different biome, as does that of the diadromous wild salmon. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Is it A. Demarcated from, B. Reconstituted as, C. Conflated with, or D. Derived from? So here we can see that they are comparing two types of fish. One is the diadromous fish and the other is euryhaline fish. So diadromous fish is the one which migrates between freshwater and marine biomes during their life cycle. So they are migratory fish. Whereas euryhaline, euryhaline means they are able to tolerate high salinity, but their life cycle does not involve relocation to a different biome. So that's the difference between them. So which should we choose? So if you said A, demarcated from, that is the correct answer. Choice A is the best answer because it most logically completes the text discussion of diadromous fish. In this context, demarcated from means separate or set apart from. The text indicates that diadromous fish differ from euryhaline fish and that diadromous fish migrate between freshwater and marine biomes during their life, whereas euryhaline fish do not relocate to a different biome because they can tolerate higher salinity environments. Therefore, this context suggests that because of differences between their migration patterns, diadromous fish are distinct and can be demarcated from euryhaline fish. B. Reconstituted as, this is incorrect. Although the text states that diadromous fish migrate and relocate, the text does not suggest that diadromous fish would be reconstituted as or formed again as anything new. Only the environments change and not the fish themselves. Choice C, conflated with, is incorrect because the text does not suggest that diadromous fish can be conflated with, which means combined with, euryhaline fish. Instead, the text distinguishes the two types of fish by pointing out their differences with regard to migration and tolerance of salinity. Choice D, derived from, is incorrect because the text indicates that based on migration habits and tolerance for salinity, diadromous fish are different from euryhaline fish. So it would not make logical sense to say that diadromous fish would be derived from or be an extension of or result from. So derived from would mean an extension of or result from euryhaline fish. So the best answer is demarcated from, that is the difference or separate or what we